Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Manaswini and I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything that I got during Nykaa's Big Friday sale. And I do feel that I'm slightly late in doing this video, but I think a haul is always fun to watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. I'm going to start with skincare because that was the first package that I received. The first product that I got is this ginseng essence water from Beauty of Jasor, and if you look at the bottle, you can see that I have used quite a bit of it. Almost half the bottle is done. I had placed this order on the first day of the sale itself, and since then, I have been using it every single day in my AM and PM skincare routine. The texture of this product is not water like, it is not like a toner, it is an essence and it does feel like one. But I like to use it as the first layer of hydration on my skin after washing my face. That is how I have been enjoying using this. Now, this does give the hydration that I expected to give, but apart from that, I don't think I have noticed a prominent difference in my skin. In pigmentation, dullness, acne marks, no. But overall, the feel of the product is great. I would really want to finish this bottle and then get back to you and tell you how it worked for me. The next product that I got is this serum from Indie Wild. It is their Sunset Restore Serum. Now, when I posted my recommendations video and I mentioned some of my favorite retinol serums, a lot of you wanted me to talk about some alternatives as well. But I honestly have not tried many. So I also decided to pick one up for myself, and this is the one that I started with. It has 1% bakuchiol, which is a plant derived alternative for retinol. It also has tripeptide complex and squalane. This serum is oil based. So I think it's a great pick for people with dry skin for the winter season. Now, even though it is a serum that is supposed to be applied at night only, I do not think oily skin will be very comfortable with this on their face. But dry skin and combination skin would love to add it to their routine. I like to apply it and leave it on for 20-25 minutes and then top it off with a moisturizer and go to bed. The next product is a restock. It is the CosRx Nail All-in-One Cream. You all know how much I love this cream. I will not waste any time talking about this, but I have not started using it yet because I have opened some new moisturizers that I want to try out for a while first. I just love to have this one in my stash at all times because when my skin is super sensitive and breaking out, this is what I stick to. A new moisturizer that I picked up this time during the sale is this one from Laneige. It is their Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. Now, I had tried this moisturizer at the store a couple of times before, and only after trying it at the store I decided to get it online during the sale. So I had this misconception that all these moisturizers by Laneige had fragrance because I had tried their water sleeping mask and I had also tried their bouncy and firm cream, and both of them were highly fragranced and I just could not use them. They did not even work for me. So I never really felt like giving a chance to this range, but I'm so glad that I did because I have been loving using this moisturizer these days. Also, I would not say that this does not have fragrance. It does. There is a scent. It is subtle. It's not too strong, but it is definitely there. I have seen a lot of reviews where people are saying that it is such a nice fragrance free moisturizer. I don't think it is fragrance free at all. Now let me show you the texture of this moisturizer. This is how it looks. It's creamy and nice and it gets absorbed into the skin in no time. I wanted to get the thickest one, but I just decided to go for this at the end. I don't know why, but I'm glad I did because it's just the perfect texture for combination skin types. And my skin feels so soft and nice. It is instantly moisturized. I love it. In my opinion, this is a great moisturizer for dry and combination skin. They do have a thicker variant as well that is a little balmy, so would work for extremely dry skin, and they also have a gel one which is for oily skin. Also, this can be refilled, so once you're over with this, you can just take this part off and put a new refill in. Now, because Laneige had some good offers going on, this time I also picked up their Sika sleeping mask. This I have not tried yet, but it looks very promising to me. The reviews are so good, and the texture of this one is on the thicker side. It is definitely thicker than the my sweater is gone. This is how the texture of this one is. It is thicker than that of the water bank one. It's thick and creamy. and it takes slightly longer than the water bank moisturizer to get absorbed into the skin. This one is soothing and calming in nature, so if you have irritated skin or a compromised skin barrier, then you're supposed to use this one. I am looking forward to use this and then get back to you with how it works. That was all for skincare. Now moving on to makeup, I only got two new products. The first one is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray. This is a setting spray that I tried at the store a lot of times and I really liked using it. So I finally got it for myself, and that too in this big size. Some of you were not sure about how it smelled, and I think it's fine. It has fragrance, obviously, but it's not too strong or overpowering. It's a nice sweet smell. It keeps makeup in place for a long time. The finish that it gives is very natural. It's not dewy, it's not very shiny or matte. It is natural, that's what I would say. If you have oily skin and you're looking for a setting spray that does not make your skin look super shiny, then I think this is a great one. The other makeup product that I picked up during the sale is this Pat McGrath Under Eye Blurring Powder. This was in my wish list even during the last sale and I had purchased it, but it got delivered all broken and shattered. So I had to return it and then it was out of stock. But I'm so glad that I finally got it. It is a very finely milled powder that just instantly blurs out your under eye. And I'm not even kidding, I really like it more than the Charlotte Tilbury powder. Do you see the difference in both the under eyes? It instantly fixed this one. I'm gonna set this one as well. And I only used my finger to do this, by the way. So much better. I absolutely love this powder. Such a beautiful product. I think it is very, very underrated. It is a must have for people who have a lot of fine lines going on. It is so good. It is a blessing. I picked this up at 35% off and I also love the size of it. It's so tiny, you can just put it in your bag and you're good to go. Now moving on to hair care, I only restocked some of my favorites. The first set of products that I got is this L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. This is their anti-hair fall range and it has been working for me for years now. The shampoo works really well for hair fall and the conditioner makes hair soft and manageable. So it's a really good combo. Do get your hands on this one. It's affordable and does the job. Another hair care restock is this serum from The Ordinary. It is their multi-peptide hair density serum. Everyone at my place is using it. Even my mom now is using this and she restocked hers. This is a great hair growth serum for everyone. If you're looking for one, then do consider investing in this. It is effective and it really makes a difference. Now moving on to body care, I first restocked my Dove body polish and this time I got a new variant. This is the crushed lavender and coconut milk one. I am not at all a lavender person. I do not like how lavender smells, but something's really up with me this time. First I got that Burberry Goddess perfume which has lavender notes, and then I got this and I am actually enjoying this so much. I have used it twice or thrice already and I enjoyed using it every single time. It is a very nighttime hot shower product. You are gonna love it using it in the nighttime and then you're gonna sleep like a baby. It is very relaxing and just really nice overall. Next, I picked up this body lotion from Plum Body Lovin'. This is their new Marshmallow Melt Body Lotion with shea butter. This lotion is definitely more moisturizing than their Vanilla Caramel Lotion. It is thicker in texture than the Vanilla Caramel Lotion and it smells very, very sweet. The name of this lotion says it all. It's called Marshmallow Melt and it literally smells like marshmallows. This fragrance is definitely not for everyone. I personally prefer Vanilla Caramello's fragrance over this one. But I think I don't mind using this during the colder months, especially during Christmas and New Year's. I think I'm gonna use it till like mid-January and then I'm gonna get back to the Vanilla Caramello. Finally, the last body care product that I picked up is this body cream from Sol de Janeiro. I have already finished a 75 ml tub of this and this time I decided to upgrade to a bigger one. This is the 150 ml tub. I got this at 25% off and out of all the moisturizers that I've tried from them, this has to be my favorite one. It smells so good. I absolutely love this. I love this and I also love the mist very, very much. The texture of this one is thicker than that of the Boom Boom Cream, and it's definitely lighter than Delicia Drench, but I think it's just perfect for day-to-day use. It gets absorbed into the skin quickly, and the fragrance also stays the entire day. That's what I love about this one. And finally, the last product and also the only impulse buy this time is this perfume. It is from Salvatore Ferragamo and it is called Rebel. The packaging is so cute and it also smells really nice. Now, if you're someone who does not like the way the Nux multi-purpose oils smell, you're not gonna like this initially. But the dry down is what I got this for. Of course, this perfume was not a blind buy. I had tried it a lot of times at the store and I do not like the way it smells initially. The top notes are not for me at all, but the dry down is what I bought it for. The dry down is sweet, it's vanilla ice cream, and it is to die for. I'm still not sure if I'm going to use it every single day, but I got this at 60% off almost, and I think it's a great addition to the collection. So that was everything that I bought during the sale, and I do not regret buying anything this time. I loved all the products, and my favorite would be the Laneige moisturizer, the water bank moisturizer. It's really nice and I've been loving using it. Do tell me in the comments what was your best purchase from the sale this time. I would love to know. And that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful to all of you. I'm gonna see you all in the next one. Bye bye.